Dancer Noel Immortal is fresh off shows in Russia and also teamed up with businessman Ramesh for hurricane relief efforts. Let's hear some more about the journey of this former Red Bull Dance Your Style winner in our FiWi Culture segment.
Music make you lose control. Music make you lose control.
Joel,
Yeah, man.
well going, bro?
Fully active, man.
Finally reached on the show alive?
Yeah, man.
What were the areas or countries that you were touring?
Well, it was just Russia, and then when I come back in Jamaica, I go straight to the US.
Okay, so Joshua, Backyard, over US.
Yeah.
Me a Billie Jean rock, give me rebel nose and a 3-inch foot pants. Girl a balance like Asian song, but me.
You toured them now. How was that experience?
Yeah, man. As always, the energy and vibe, knowing that you're a dancer, I left from Jamaica, is a dream. To always go up on a plane for no say, yeah, and you dance, you make that happen. And you go to places where you never see before, people you never know before. And you know, to go there for you see people do your creation, things that where you create differently. You know, so it's a dream. And for me in Russia is a place that have a big dancehall scene.
Really?
Yeah, very big.
Okay.
Yeah, dancehall very big over there. It's one of the countries that I think that dancehall even more bigger than Afrobeat, where they do dancehall here. You know, so me, even from here, I can share my culture, get that love to knowing that I'm pushing dancehall to a different level there too. Not just me, but all the dancers in the dancehall scene, many dancers. So us, we're grateful for this, and you know, to see that we want more people in the whole Jamaica to see what dancehall is out there, because I feel like people don't really appreciate it like how we see it out there and how other people take it in different countries. So that's very deep for me to know that I can travel and share that all the time, you know, and bring dancing to places that it's not there, like dancehall dancing, you know, and that's the main goal for me, to leave an impact.
Man, no boy can't give me chat. You crazy? Don't do that till we get bam 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 bam.
The stage name is Noel Immortal. What the name of Mummy and Daddy gave you?
You know, I'm still Joel, but my last name is Pennant.
Joel Pennant.
Yeah.
Where Joel Pennant grew up?
Joel Pennant come from Old Harbour, grew and raised in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. You know, 2 sisters. Yeah, passionate about him dancing from ever since, from my brother go school. My school we used to go was Central High School in Maypen, big up Maypen. Yeah. And all about my place differently, but it's a youth who are just testing and believe that he can change the world with dancing.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it. When you did go Central High, where did you see yourself becoming, aside from dancing? Let's say the dancing never work out, Joel.
Alright, so
Where they are? Policeman?
soldier.
To me, free to me, keys to me. She got the keys to my heart.
How long now have you been dancing professionally?
18 years?
18 years?
That's
And
what I know.
did you start out in a dance group or did you do your thing by yourself?
Alright, so the whole journey start with me and dancing now. Start out single by myself, differently. But I have a close friend back in my community in Old Harbour. Named Rai. Yeah, a long time friend. He used to dance, and then the first group that I ever been in was Russian Squad.
Okay.
Yeah, from Old Harbour, big up Russian Squad. Is it one of the first group that I go stage on and perform, and from there I do dancing for my school. Yeah, and then you know JCDC, Dancing Dynamite.
Active, fully active, fully active.
Feel good today. Under a vibe, yeah.
Alright, my side, and just like that, we bring the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. Dre, we're there in the community all evening. You spot the house where you have your eye, you spot the house where you want to buy it?
Buy, I mean, build up. Already find the land, so you know, time soon come.
Alright, you hear what bad bro say? That's Dre. I am Naldo, and until next week, stay safe and big up on yourselves, in?